Hey, good afternoon, traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at Decker's Outdoor. Ticker symbol is DECK, and I want to show you some of the things I'm seeing in the charts and how I think it's going to be moving from here. Now, given earnings is just right around the corner, it looks like it is a couple days away on Thursday, July 25th. So we have that coming up, but I want to show you what I'm seeing and where I think it can go from here. So we're zoomed out on the chart. You can see we had this massive sell-off from the 230 range back on this earnings. It's just massive sell-off, just relentless selling, all the way down to about $93. And then from there, we created this descending wedge, broadening wedge, and then we busted out of it. And what I like is we came back and retested it. Also, that retest aligns with a major pivot low going, or support zone going back to this area right here. So you had this support, and then you can see we came back all the way down and retested that breakout of that wedge. You can see that right here, and then also that pivot low. So that's interesting. And these other lines down here, these are support lines of major areas as well. So if on earnings we see that it falls, those are going to be the support lines. So this is one that you really want to watch and you want to get a clean breakout of before you really do anything, because it could definitely fall down into these lower areas. So just be mindful of that. But what's encouraging is we had some really good price action the last couple of days. So you can see it swept this low right here, this previous low of this retrace, okay? You can see that here. It swept that low a couple days ago, right there. And then on yesterday, it came back up. And then today, you can see we have this nice move as well into the median line and kind of through it. And what's nice about that is we're right into the point of control on the visible range. So what I'd like to see, and the way I'll be playing this, if I do, will be something like this. I'm going to wait for the breakout of this and then the retrace there, and that's the play right there. If that can happen, that's a really safe bet, because you want to wait for this to happen. You don't want to get caught up in this earnings and then have it fall down here. So I like this setup. I like this downward move into this zone. I like this consolidation in a downsloping channel, and then I like this price movement. But we need to see follow through. We need to see this rally about up to 100 and I'd say 11, 110, and then from there we need to see it pull back. Well, and I mean, ideally we want to see this confirmed. We want to see this breakout and then a confirming candle, and then you want to see the retrace to the top of the channel, or maybe even, I mean, you could fall back in and wick down in here. That would be fine as well, but you need that confirmation up here. So put this one on your watch list. This is one I'm going to be looking at, especially as we go into earnings, and watching for something like this. The alternative is that earnings come out and we get something like this, right? You just get a cascade down, in which case, since there's 3 support levels here, I'd likely wait till the second one to get into that trade, and then a dollar cost average if we did something like this to get up, and then boom, that would be the path. So a couple different scenarios here, but I definitely wanted to put this on your watch list. Has promising increasing volume, but I would still be skeptical because you have this all right here, and this doesn't look, we have this kind of look. I like the retrace, as I mentioned, like this setup, but we really need to see the follow through, or we can see something like that. So if you like the analysis today, then make sure you give me a like on the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And love to hear your comments below. Let me know what you think of this particular setup and how you'll be playing it, if you will. And again, I'll remind everyone, no financial advice given, always for educational purposes, and what I'm doing with my own personal trading strategies and how I kind of look at the charts. So on that note, I'll bid you guys farewell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.